Hello everyone, welcome to the session. This session I'm going to discuss about how we can create a matrix output in SQL. In the previous session, I discussed about how we can create a case statement in SQL and I have given the link in the description. Please refer it. Here I'm using EMP table and the columns are EMP number, e-name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, department number. Now, what I want is, I want to get total salary based on job and department number. I want to get total salary based on job and department number. Now, I'm writing query for that. So, select, I want to get job, department number, and then total salary. In order to get total salary, we can use aggregator function sum. So sum, I'm using salary. Here I'm giving alias as total salary from EMP table. And if you look at here, right, we are using in the select class, we are using columns like job, department and number. Along with that, we are using aggregator function. Whenever we are using column with any of the aggregator function, then we have to use group by function. So here I'm using group by. So group by job and department number. Just I'm using order by 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 means it indicates first column and first and second columns. Now I'm executing this query. Now this is the output. We are getting it. Now this is the output. Here I pasted here. And now what I want is I want to convert this input into this output. If you look at this, this looks like a matrix output. So what happens, right? It takes all the jobs and here it says department wise. Okay, for this job analyst, department number 20, what is the total sum of salary? For clerk, for department number 10 combination, total sum of salary. Like that, for each job and a department combination, it gives the total salary. Now we need to convert this one into this matrix format. If you look at this output here, the department values are in rows format 20, 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, 10, 30 like that. So we need to find that unique department number. Here the unique departments number are 10, 20, 30 and 40. There is no 40. So this the values of the department to be converted from rows into the column so that we'll get output like matrix. Let us see how we can write a query for this. Now what we need to get, if you see here, we have to get job wise and then this department here are the columns. So we can get that, just need to select job. In order to get the department number 10, 20, 30, 40, we need to use case statement. So here I'm using case statement. Case when department number equal to 10, then what we have to, when department number is 10, then we have to calculate total salary. So here we have to use salary. And in the case statement we can use else also, else 0 and end. Okay, here I'm giving alias as department number. So what happens, right? Whenever the department number 10, then it selects that salary. Here this output, what we want total salary. In order to get the total salary, we have to use sum function. Sum of within the sum case when department number 10, then salary, else 0, end. Here the case statements end. So here I'm closing the case statement. Here I'm giving alias as a department number 10. Like that, for each department, for each unique department, we have to write a statement like this. So just I'm copying and paste it. Sum here, just I'm doing it for department number 20. So here I'm giving alias as department number 20. I can give total salary. With it, I can copy and paste it for all the department. So here I'm changing 30. Here I'm changing 40. So here also alias also I'm changing 30 and 40 from EMP table. So if you see, again we are using column, normal column along with the aggregator function. So whenever we are using, then we have to like this, then we have to use group by function. So I am using group by job. This way also we can use. So here if you see, right, inside that aggregator function we are using the case statement in order to get the department value, the row value as a column. Just I'm executing this statement. Now let us see. If you see, this is the output we are getting it. So this is the output I pasted here. You can compare now. Okay, for job analyst department number 20, the total salary is 6,000. Now let us see. So analyst for department 20, the total salary is 6,000. For clerk, for clerk for department number 10, 1,300 is the salary. Total salary is 1,300. So we are getting it here. For clerk, and the department number 20 combination we are getting 1,900. So this is correct. And the clerk 30, yeah, for clerk and the department number 30, total salary is 950. So 950. And then salesman department number 30, we are getting 5,600. So salesman 30, 5,600. And then manager for 10 department we are getting 2,450. For manager 20th for department number 20 we are getting 2,975. For manager and the department number 30 combination we are getting 2,850. And then president is present in only one department number 10. So the total salary is 5,000. So 5,000. And here for 2030 there is no value, so we are getting 0. This way we can get a matrix output. Let's see another example. Here we need to get total number of employees based on job and department number combination. Total number of employees based on job and department number. So I'm writing query for that. So select job, department number, total number of employees. So I'm using count star as alias I'm giving as a total employee from EMP table, group by job and department number. And I'm also using order by 1, 2. It does this order, sorting order based on that column number 1 and 2, which is nothing but job and department number. So this is the output we are getting it. Now the outputs are like this. Now we want to convert this output into the matrix format like this. So if you see here, right, what we are getting total number of employees, count of employees based on job and department number. Here we have to convert this output into the matrix output. Here the values, again the department values are in the rows format. We have to convert this rows value into the columns format for each unique department, so that we will get as a output as a matrix. But here what we need to do, we need to get count. In order to get the count, we need to use aggregator function count. So let's see how we can write a query for that. So here I'm writing query. So what we need to get based on the job, okay, we need to get total number of employees for each department. So I'm selecting job, then again, so in order to get here what we are showing total number of employees. In order to get the total number of employees, I'm using count function. Count. Inside the count, again I'm using the case statement. Case when department number equal to 10, then 1. Then 1. End. Here I'm giving alias as department number 10. total employee. Like that, just I'm copying and pasting it for all the employees. So here, instead of 10, just I'm changing to 20 here. Sorry, it's a typo. Yeah, 20. So I'm changing it here. 30. Here I'm changing to 40. So here also 30. Here 40. From EMP table, group a job. Just I'm executing. So we are getting output. Again, this is the output just already pasted here. So the outputs are like for job, this job department wise, it tells the total number of employees. So using like this, okay, we have to write a case statement inside that aggregator function. Here, whether we need to use sum or count, again that is depends on that use cases. So this is one of the way, through which we can get SQL metrics output. There are other way, using pivot we can get the same output. We'll see in the next session. If you find this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks everyone.